With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Question is, write the principle of hydraulic press. Also give its application. Answer is, principle of a hydraulic press when a small force is applied on a smaller piston, it is transmitted to produce a large force on the bigger piston. Application. First application is for pressing cotton bales and goods like books, etc. Second, for extracting the juice from sugarcane, sugar beet, etc. Third, for squeezing oil out of lined and cotton seeds. Fourth application is for engraving monograms on goods. So this is the answer for this question. Thank you for listening.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.